Sunday noonish, and I'm out in the TrailManor, and I'm going to pre-treat the walls that I'm going to wallpaper so they can dry for 24 hours, then I'll put the wallpaper up. So, just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. I've got it all set up over here. I'm going to measure the wallpaper that I need out on this, and then I have a rotary blade that I'll cut it with. So there's the wallpaper. If you can see it or not. Yeah, it looks like beadboard. Anywho, so I'm going to wallpaper these areas with the beadboard, but I got to prime the walls first. So I'm going to get busy doing that. I'll be back. I got this wall done. Now I'm going to work on this wall, which when it stands up, it's the kitchen wall, and I'm going to wallpaper it too. So I'm going to get it painted, and then I'll start on the others, and I'll try and find a place to put you. Well, the primer coat's on for the wallpaper, and it's got to dry for 24 hours. So, yeah. I'm going to put those tic-tac tiles around there. That's why I went ahead and did that. That's where the wallpaper's going. Sorry about the lighting. Yeah, everything's all painted white. And I have pretty much decided that I'm not real fond of these curtains out here. I don't know. I'm not right there. So I think I have enough material left over out of this back here. Zoom in a little bit out of this. So I'm just going to do the whole TrailManor in that. So yeah. Anyway, okay, all the walls are done. I'm going to go grab some lunch, and I'll be back out here tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up and the bell icon. The bell icon again gives you notifications when I upload a new video. Go ahead and share them too with people you think, that are redoing their RV that might either have answers for me or questions for me. Anyway, okay, I'm out of here. Thanks. Bye.